Ma'am, good day, ma'am. Republic of the Philippines, Negros Oriental State University, RA 9299. College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gilman City, Negros Oriental, 6214, Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a globally recognized state university. Mission, Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instructions, impactful research, and sustainable extension with strategic partnership and modern infrastructure, shaping effective leaders to serve the Philippine society in the world. Strategic goals, Negros Oriental State University will achieve global recognition by program excellence, strengthen research through impactful innovations, promote enhanced community extension services, integrate partnership and international relations, revitalize infrastructure with operational system, enrich student life and leadership opportunities. Core values, shine, spirituality, honesty, innovation, nurturance, excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commits to delivering quality instructions, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management system to meet our quality objectives. Criminology, education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and in meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself in providing the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In portion to the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and consequence course of study which are well planned. This course of study utilizes deductive instructions, discussions, demonstrations, laboratory practice, simulations, individual learning, and on-the-job training. The following are the specific objectives of the department. 1. It seeks to provide vast opportunities in instructions and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential to the practice of the criminology. 2. It provides the students with a broad cultural background and an understanding of the constitutional guarantees in the due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. 3. It fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability in leadership, and understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and his country. 4. It inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. 5. It encourages research and inquiry in the fields of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. Criminology is in a person who is a graduate with the degree of criminology who can pass the examination for criminologists and registered as such by the Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to RA 6506, Section 23. Define the term criminologist as one who was been engaged in the practice of criminology if he holds himself out of the public of any the capacities as professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506, Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following positions: A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearm examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technicians. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detection examiner. Agent in any law enforcement agency. G. Security officer. Key criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 98302, criminologist eligibility would apply appointment from the PNCO rank of P1 up to the Police Commission Officer or PCO with the rank of the Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975, Section 33 provides that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11 General Orders. 1. To take charge of it, dispose and all companies, property in view and protect, preserve the name with utmost diligence. 2. To work during tour or duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violation or orders I am instructed to enforce. 4. To report all calls from posts for distant from the guardhouse where I am stationed. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guard all orders from company officer or officials, superiors, post in charge or ship leaders. 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instructions. 10. To salute all company officials, superiors, and the agency ranking public official and commission officer of the AFP and officer of the PNP. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority and to eat my meal before rendering my duty. The Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. Being entrusted with the duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocent against deceptions, the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger. Scorn or ridicule, develop self-restraint, and be constantly mindful in the welfare of others. Honest and truth or deed in both my personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Whatever I see or hear of a confidential in nature will be kept ever secret unless relation is necessary. In the performance of my duty, I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, animosities, or friendship to influence my decisions, with no compromise for crime and with relentless prosecution of criminals. I will enforce the law. I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor. Malice or ill will, never accepting gratuities and return. In return, I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith and accept it as public trust. I shall wear it with fidelity and integrity, for its mind is to possess only while if I fulfill this solemn obligation. Police Officer Creed. I believe in God, the Supreme Being, the great provider and creator of all men and everything dear to me. In return, I can do no less than love Him above all, seek His guidance in the performance of my sworn duties, and honor Him at all times. I believe that respect for authority is duty, and respect and uphold the Constitution, the laws of the land, and applicable rules and regulations. I recognize the legitimacy and authority of leadership and follow and obey legal orders of my superior officers. I believe in selfless love and service to people. Towards this end, I commit myself to the service of my fellow men over and above my personal convenience. I believe in the sanctity of marriage and the respect for women. I shall set the example of decency and morality, and shall have high regard for family life and chastity. I believe in the responsible dominion and stewardship over material things. I shall inhibit myself from ostentatious display of my property. I shall protect the environment and conserve nature to maintain ecological balance. I shall respect private and public properties and prevent others from destroying it. I believe in the wisdom of truthfulness and must be trustworthy, and shall speak the truth at all times as required by profession. 10 Commandments of God. 1. I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. 2. Thou shalt not use the name of the Lord in vain. 3. Remember to keep the holy Sabbath day, Lord's day. 4. Honor your father and mother. 5. Thou shalt not kill. 6. Thou shalt not commit adultery. 7. Thou shalt not steal. 8. Thou shalt not bear false witness against your neighbor. 9. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's wife. 10. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's goods. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Vision Mission of the Philippines National Police, or PNP. Mission. The Philippine National Police shall enforce the law to prevent and control crimes, to maintain peace and order, and to ensure public safety and internal security with the active support of the community. Vision. The men and women of the Philippine National Police are committed to the vision of professional, dynamic, and motivated PNP, working in partnership with the response committee towards the attainment of the safe place to live, work, invest, and do business. Vision Mission of the Bureau of the Fire Protection. Vision. Protection. Mission. To prevent and suppress destructive fires, enforce fire-related laws, and provide emergency medical and rescue service. Vision. A world-class fire protection agency working towards public safety-conscious society. Vision Mission of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, or BGMP. Mission. Enhance public safety and providing human safekeeping and development of inmates in all districts, city, and municipal jail. Vision. A dynamic institution highly regarded for its sustained safekeeping and development of inmates. Core values. Core values, core competencies. Continuous skills enhance of personnel ability to establish linkage and partnership, responsive planning, timely decision making, expedient implementation. Laws are a Republic Act, PD, Prudential Degrees, BP, Batas Pambansa. 1. PD number 1185, Fire Code of the Philippines. 2. PD number 704, revising and consolidating all laws and decrees affecting fishing and fisheries. 3. PD number 532, Anti-Privacy and Anti-Highway Robbery Law of 1974. 4. PD number 533, Anti-Cattle Rustling Law of 1974. 5. PD number 449, Cockfighting Law of 1974. 6. PD number 968, Provision Law of 1976. 7. PD number 1612, Anti-Fencing Law. PD number 1602, prescribing stiffer penalties on illegal gambling. PD number 603, the Child and Youth Welfare Code. 10. PD number 7636, Anti-Supervision Law and Amendments. RA number 6981, Witness Protection, Security, and Benefit Act. 11. At 12, RA number 832, Anti-Electricity and Electric Transmission Lines or Material Pilferage Act number 1994. 13, RA number 3553, an act to provide the position of deadly arrow. RA number 91465 Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. 15. RA number 6425, the Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972. RA number 7877, Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. RA number 8505, Rape Victim Assistance and Protection Act of 1998. RA number 1700, Anti-Subversion Law. RA number 7659, an act imposed the death penalty of certain heinous crimes. 20. RA number 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. And RA 21, RA number 4136, Land Transportation and Traffic Code. 22, RA number 7080, an act defining and penalizing the crimes of plunder. 23, RA number 7610, Special Protection and of Children against Sexual Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. 24. RA number 9299, an act converting Central Visayas Polytechnic College or CBPC into a state university to be known as Negros Oriental State University or NORSU. 25. RA number 9160, Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001. 26. RA number 6968, an act punishing the crime of Code ITA. And 27, RA number 7438, an act defining certain rights of person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigations. 28, number 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practice Act. And number 29, RA number 6235, Anti-Hijacking Law Act, providing acts inimical to civil aviation. And 30, RA number 8649, Anti-Hazing Law. And 31, RA number 8177, an act designating death by lethal injection as the method of the carrying out capital punishment. Number 32, RA number 8353, the Anti-Rape Law of 1977. 33, RA number 6506, an act creating the Board of Examiners for Criminologies. And panunumpa sa Watawa. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapangang nanumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisan na maigdangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinagkikilos ng sabayanang maka-Diyos, makakalikasan, makatao at makabansa. Police Officer Pledge or POP. I will love and serve God, my country and people. I will uphold the Constitution and obey legal orders of the July constitute authorities. I will oblige myself to maintain a high standard of morality and professionalism. I will respect the customs of tradition of the police service, and I will live a decent and virtuous life to serve as an example to panunumpa ng kawaning gobyerno. Ako'y kawani ng gobyerno. Tungkulin ko ang maglingkod ng tapat at mahusay. Dahil dito, ako'y papasok ng maaga at magtrabaho ng lampas oras kung kinakailangan. Magsilbi ako ng magalang at mabilis sa lahat ng nangangailangan. Pangangalagaan ko ang mga gamit, kasangkapan at iba pang pag-aari ng pagmamahalaan. Magiging pantay at magkatarungan ang pakikitungo ko sa mga lumalapit sa aming tanggapan. Magsasalita ako laban sa katiwalian at ako hihingi pagsasamantala, hindi ko gagamitin ang aking panunungkulan sa sarili kong kakapakanan. Hindi ako hihingi o tatanggap ng suhol. Sisikapin kong magdagdagan ang aking talino at kayahan upang ang antas ng paglilingkod sa bayan ay patuloy na maitataas, sapagkat ako'y isang kawani ng gobyerno. At tungkulin ko ang maglilingkod ng tapat at mahusay sa bayan ko at sa panahon ito. Ako at ang aking kapwa kawani ay kailangan tungo sa isang maunlad, masagana at mapayapang Pilipinas. Sa harap ninyong lahat, ako'y taos-pusong nanunumpa. Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, exploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideas and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our prosperity and the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and regime of truth, justice, love, equality, in peace, do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Panunumpa ng lingkod bayan. Katungkulan ko ang maglingkod ng buong katapatan at kahusayan at makatulong sa katagaan at kaunlaran ng aking bayan. Sisikapin kong patuloy na maragdagan ang aking kaalaman. Magiging bahagi ako ng kaayusan at kapayapaan sa pamahalaan, susunod at tutulong ako sa pagtupad ng mga umiral na batas at alintutunin ng walang kinikilingan. Isasalang ang alang ko ang interes ng karami bago ang mansarili kong katapakan. Isusulong ko ang mga programang mag-angat sa antas ng kabuhayan ng mamayan. Aktibo akong makikibahagi sa mga dakilang layunin sa layunin sa lipunan. Hindi ako magiging bahagi at isisiwalat ko ang anumang katiwalian na makakaabot sa aking kaalaman. Gagawin kong kung kapakinabangan ang bawat sandali. Sa lahat ng panahon, sisikapin kong makatugon sa mga hamon sa lingkod bayan. Ang lahat ng ito para sa ating dakilang lumikha at ating bayan. Kasiyahan nawa ko ang may kapal. The Asian Hymn. Raise our flag sky high, embrace the pride in heart. Asian, we are bonded as one. Looking out to the world for peace, our goal from the very start, and prosperity to last. We dare to dream, we care to share together for Asian, we dare to them. Norsuhim. In this sunny southern clime, there's a school right for outside. Negros born our own North guide. Negro state glory is our pride. For the many and the few, states who leads to heights anew. For the last and for the least, it's who gives hope for the best. Azure blue and lily white, yours to stand our faith inside. Lift the lamp of wisdom bright, nor so guidance for the right. It has pylons open wide, to great service on each side. For the future of this land, Negro states, answer the demand. Azure blue and lily white, no such standard plain inside. Lift the lamp of wisdom bright, nor so guidance for the right. It has pylons open wide, to get service on each side. For the future of this land, Negro state, answers the demand. Our pride, our hope, our future, Negros Oriental State University.